The upcoming Ward 5 by-election in Mutema Musikavanhu, triggered by the death of Alderman Fibion Machuwaire, has descended into chaos, with the disturbing reports of political violence, intimidation, and sexual abuse rocking the rural constituency. Sadavina mashukublanyo kwachinzi bloody by-election in Ward 5 of Mutema Musikavanhu was subscribed like on the ByElection. Tivina mnamublanyo kwa mchinzi. Local sources allege that ZANU-PF supporters led by Chipinge District Coordinating Committee DCC Chairperson Themba Munaiwa and a group of thugs from Chipinge South have unleashed a wave of terror on villagers in Monyokovere and Chipangai. The victims reportedly targeted for backing opposition candidates say the violence escalated after Munaiwa controversially imposed Singati Nehumbe as the ZANU-PF candidate, sidelining the popular local favorite Munoda Wafa. Insiders claim Humbe's candidate was not earned on merit, but was a personal reward from Munaiwa, allegedly stemming from a romantic relationship between the two. In a bid to rush dissent and show up support, Munaiwa is said to have dispatched violent groups to intimidate and assault opposition supporters, including school teachers. Educators accused of backing the opposition have allegedly been harassed and threatened with transfer. One teacher recounted being warned, "If you want to stay here on voting day, you must say you can't write." Another was reportedly told, "We are watching you and we will deal with you after this." 2008 is going to repeat itself. Teachers not registered to vote in Ward 5 are allegedly being forced out, with the names said to be compiled by the Deputy Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, Mrs. Angeline Gata, who also serves as the MP for Mutema Musikavanhu. She is accused of threatening to use her ministerial authority to enforce dismissal in the transfers. Doma developments aripo arikunoka kunzi aiwa hondo ya 2008 panguva ino yodzoka. Pana panopedzisa vachiti as political tension boil over, residents and civil society organizations are urgently calling on the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC regional observers and human rights groups to intervene and ensure a peaceful, free and credible election in Ward 5. Doma shoko aripo panguva ine vanhu vakutotya vachiintimidatewa panguva ine vototi aiwa zvikamboitika 2008 zvakudzoka kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe zvakare. Munyika munoonekwa kunzi mune human rights groups, munoonekwa kunzi mune political observers, asi kunoonekwa kunzi people they are still facing intimidation pakuvokasta their votes. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe, like, click on the bell.